to the members of the Butuan Integrated Deaf Association, to Sir Mario Cho, President of Rotary Club of Central Butuan, to Sir Joey Daod, the Planning Focal of TESDA, to Sir Lazaro B. Lapa, the Chairman of the Board of Inter-Office Employees and Businessmen's Credit Cooperative, to Sir John A. Uy, President of Rotary Club of Central Butuan, RCCB, to Sir Rodrigo De Villa, Provincial Director of TESDA, to Sir Aldebaran H. Mordino, CSWD Officer, and to Engineer Rinaldo B. Mendiola, Provincial Officer of DOLI, Agusan del Norte. To Sir Norberto Ventura, President-in-Waiting of RCCB. To Ms. Nikita Go, in behalf of Ma'am Catherine Rafael, Chief Executive Officer of Colegio de Holy Trinity Incorporated, Masikap 2, parents and interpreters, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Thank you very much for coming here. I am Maureen Therese Bagaluyos, President of Butuan Integrated Deaf Association. I'd like to thank everybody for voting me as President. We are here today for our BIDA oath-taking ceremony and consultation meeting with parents and partners. I would like to inform you all a good news. Jojo Sudian, Lisa Naka, and I have recently passed the assessment for Volunteer Service Organization, or VSO, Deaf International Citizen Service ICS program, and we will be working together with British partners to serve as volunteers for the deaf community in Cebu this coming June to September. This will be a very good learning experience for me and Jong. For this reason, I will be leaving temporarily my responsibilities as President of BIDA to the Vice President, Ms. Jeneline Ocate. Anyway, we will be coming back to Butuan on September. By that time, I will have full focus on BIDA and the deaf community in Butuan. I want to help them succeed in any way I can. I will continue to serve the deaf people. I am willing to support the deaf community using all my skills, all the skills that I will be learning in my voluntary work in Cebu. Before I end up my response, in behalf of the officers of BIDA, please allow me to say thank you to the different government agencies for helping and supporting us deaf people in this business venture. I hope that we will become good partners. We will promise to do our best. Thanks God, and to God be the glory. We love you all.